Today we're memorizing Proverbs 8:33. We're also going to look at what wisdom is and how you can get it. Let's get started. Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus.
This is part of Bible Drill Red Cycle. For more information, check out the description below. Proverbs 8:33. Hear instruction and be wise, and do not neglect it. Proverbs 8:33. Wisdom is knowing the right thing to do, and then the next step is, of course, to do it. You can get wisdom in many ways. One is through the school of hard knocks. You just learn by messing up and doing the wrong thing, and then you figure out, oh, I should do something different. That's not ideal, but it is one of the ways that we gain wisdom. That's one of the reasons why they say the older you get, the more wisdom you have, because you have more of that life experience. You've messed up more times, so you've learned from those mistakes and become more wise. Proverbs 8:33. Hear instruction and be wise, and do not neglect it. Proverbs 8:33. There are other ways, less painful ways, to gain wisdom as well. One is by listening to other people. Listen to the experiences and the testimonies of other people and learn from their mistakes so that you don't have to make the same ones. Proverbs 8:33. Hear instruction and be wise, and do not neglect it. Proverbs 8:33. Most importantly, the best way to gain wisdom is through God's Word. He tells us what is the right thing to do so that we can do it. He tells us what is wisdom. That's what this verse is talking about. If you want some practical wisdom in the Bible, it's all throughout there, but I suggest you start with the book of Proverbs. You can learn more in this playlist.
Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.